Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to assign project owners on Asana. This is your complete guide for 2025, so let's get started. Our first step is to open the Asana app or visit asana.com and log into your account. This is important because it allows you to access your workspace where all your projects exist. Now that we've done that, navigate to the specific project for which you want to assign a project owner. The reason we do this is to ensure that the right person is responsible for overseeing the progress and completion of the project. Once you've selected the project, click on the Project Actions drop-down menu, usually located on the top right corner of the project page. This helps us because it's where all the project settings are located. Next up, select Edit Project Details. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This opens up a new window where you can edit all the project's details, including its owner. In the Owner field, type in the name of the person you want to assign as the project owner. If they are a part of your Asana workspace, their name should appear as you're typing. Select their name, and then click Save Changes. Assigning a project owner is crucial as it gives them complete control over the project and keeps everyone on the team aware of who's in charge. And just like that, you've assigned a project owner on Asana. Remember, this step can be repeated as many times as you need for as many projects as you have. So there you have it, a quick, effective way to assign project owners on Asana. This will help streamline your work process and ensure everyone knows who's in charge of what. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.